Hi everyone, today I'm reviewing something interesting I received from Elecrow. The 2-pack 2.8-inch ESP32 solo miner LCD display. It's a tiny standalone crypto solo miner based on ESP32 with a built-in 2.8-inch touchscreen and advertised hash rate up to around 1000 kHz per second. Let's take a closer look. In the package you get a 2 USB to USB-C cable, 2 screwdrivers, 2 4-pin DuPont cable, 2 resistive stylus, and 2 ESP32 2.8-inch display. That's it. No power adapter, no battery, no pre-installed mining software. This is just the hardware. You handle the rest. Each unit is built around ESP32W room module with 320 by 240 TFT resistive touchscreen, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, TF card slot, GPIO, I2C, UART, boot and reset buttons, battery interface, speaker interface, and of course USB-C. Power is 5V via USB-C, so you can run it from a power bank, which is exactly what I did. Out of the box it doesn't mine anything. You need to flash firmware, for example nmminer, which is paid software. Setup is simple. Activate your device on the website, enter your wallet address, enter Wi-Fi credential and flash the firmware. After that it connects to Wi-Fi and runs independently. I personally didn't connect it to my main home network. Why? Because I don't fully know what's inside the compiled firmware. That's just basic security. However, monitoring traffic showed no suspicious behavior beyond mining communication. I have a special network for IoT devices and I separate them from other devices. Still, use your own judgment. Once running, the main screen shows real mining data like Wi-Fi, Bitcoin price, job receive counter, network difficulty, last share difficulty and best difficulty, share rejected and share accepted, block found, firmware version, local IP, best difficulty of miners in your local network, counter of miners in local network, hash rate, and total hash rate of miners in local network. There are also additional screens you can switch to. It usually displays digital clock while mining continues in the background. This doesn't affect performance, it just makes the device look nicer on the desk. One big advantage, it uses very little power. With 20,000 mAh power bank and it runs for about 4 to 5 days continuously. Compared to the traditional mining hardware, that's basically nothing. Just to be clear, this cannot compete with real mining rigs or ASIC miners. But it's also much cheaper, uses dramatically less electricity and serves a completely different purpose. This is closer to a lottery ticket than a mining farm. The probability of finding a block is extremely small. You're not going to earn steady income, it's more like small device, tiny power usage and very small chance of big reward. And at the same time it's a cool tech gadget that looks great on a desk. And if you're expecting profit, this is not it. If you want a low power, standalone crypto gadget that participates in mining and looks good doing it, then this is exactly what it is. And honestly, as a desk gadget for crypto enthusiasts, it's pretty fun. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.